Hello,
Rushali?
sir.
Yes, Rushali.
Sir, like in the morning class only, I asked the question. So
Hmm.
I'm facing the same issue. I'm sharing my screen.
Yeah, please. Yes, Rushali, it's visible. So this is something I think I told you in the morning session, right? Maybe there is a problem with the overlapping. I'll tell you the reason. Wait. Now you are trying for 14, 16, 18, and you are getting a problem. Am I correct?
Yes.
For 14, why you are giving leading 0? It should be
I am
1. It should
also,
start with
no, no.
0.
I'm not giving any zero, sir. I'm just like typing this only. But after
10
saving, it
digits.
was
10 digits you have to give.
automatically.
You are giving 9 digits.
Okay. Shall I save it now?
Yeah, press enter first.
Oh,
No worries. Log in once again. I'll be available. We'll see.
okay, fine. I mean, if till the time if you want to take any other doubt,
No, no,
you can
no.
take.
At least one if you could able to save, that's enough, right? Try for 14. Save it. We are good, right?
Oh, okay, sir.
Yeah. The problem was you are maintaining only 9 digits. If you are maintaining 9 digits, what will happen? It'll get overlap. Okay.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, fine.
Why? Because already you have given in 0, 1, right? So
Yeah.
it'll be overlapped.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Thank
Okay.
you.